With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is asking that using the following and thermochemical data, we were given these three reactions and data, we have to calculate that the heat of formation of acetic acid. So what will be the heat of formation of acetic acid? How the acetic acid will form? So acetic acid is basically CH3COOH, and that can be formed by using the constituent element of this compound. Means constituent element of this compound will be carbon. So twice of carbon solid we have to take. How much hydrogen is there? 4. So twice of H2 will be there in the gas form. And how many oxygen is there? 2. So O2 gas will be there. We have to take the constituent element as carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in their standard form. Now how this reaction can be possible? By arranging these three reactions. So that means this we have put in the product side, that is liquid. That is we have to take in the product side. So clearly we can say the third reaction we have to reverse. Third reaction. So we are starting with the third reaction. Third reaction that we have to reverse, basically here it will be plus sign. This twice of O2 plus of, okay, here two types is given. Two types of O2, only one O2 will be there. Only one O2. So twice of CO2. In the product side we are getting twice of CO2. So that will be in the reactant side. We are reversing that reaction, plus twice of H2O liquid, and that will convert into CH3, means acetic acid, CH3COOH liquid plus of twice of O2. Now in that conditions, how much heat is releasing? Minus 210 kilocalorie. So we have to take positive side now, because we will reverse this reaction, so enthalpy also will be reversed. Now how this reaction we have to write? This one, that water. Now water is present here in the reactant, and in the final reaction we don't need any water. So that means water we require in the product, so that this water will get cancelled out. And along with that we have to take 2 mole. We have to take 2 mole. So that is also already present in the product side, so that will we have to write as it is, but we have to multiply by the 2, so that 2 moles of water is formed. So that means in that reactions we are multiplying by 2 value. So after multiplying by 2, we will get this equation exactly, twice of water molecules liquid. So this value also will be multiplied by 2, minus 68 into 2. So 8 to the 16, carry 1, and 6 to the 12, 113. So minus 136 kilocalorie will be released. The next, third one. What about this third? CO2. So we not require this CO2, so that means CO2 should be in the product side. Yes, that is already present in the CO2 in the product side, but we need 2 moles of CO2, so we have to multiply again with this value by the 2. So this value by the 2 to twice of carbon solid plus of twice of O2 gas, and twice of CO2 will be formed. So again we have multiplied with the twice, so we have to multiply this 94 into 2. So 94 into 2, 4 to the 8, and 19 to the 18. So 118 kilocalorie will be there. Now add all this reaction, all these three reaction. What will happen? This water molecules will get cancelled out. This CO2 get cancelled out. After that, what we have left with? This O2. This O2 and this O2 will get cancelled out. So we have left with this carbon solid, twice of carbon solid plus twice of H2 gas plus O2 gas, and that will convert into this liquid, that is CH3COOH, this one. And that when this acetic acid is formed from its constituent element, that will be called as enthalpy of formation of this acetic acid. So basically we have to calculate this value. Two values already in positive, two values, that is 210 and 1, basically 118. So that will be added. So 210, when this 210 is added with how much? 188. So it will be 398, and that is subtracted by 136. So final answer is coming out to be 162. That value is coming out to be, okay, that is 262 is coming. That means we have something is wrong. Okay, when any carbon is combustion takes place, and in that combustion it will be negative sign. Here one mistake is there, it will be negative sign, and if it is negative sign, so it will be also negative. Now if you subtract these two values, now these two values will be added, and that will be subtracted by 210. So now it will be coming out to be final answer as minus 114 kilocalorie. As we can see, now this is matching with the option, that is option number 3rd. So that means the first reaction we have this enthalpy is negative. So I hope you understand this concept. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level, Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.